Welcome everybody to Cobourg Honda. We got ourselves a Dodge Ram. This is a 2021 Ram 1500 Crew Cab with the black appearance package, with the 3.92 axle ratio, the HEMI, the 5'7" box. I mean, this is a loaded up Ram with only 67,000 kilometers, no accident history. It doesn't get better than this. This is a fantastic find, and you should be taking this home. We're going to take you on a tour of this Ram, show you off some of the features, show off how nice it is. I mean, imagine how nice this would be in the driveway as well. All right, let's start off with what is underneath the sport hood. This is a $600 hood option. We have the 5.7 liter HEMI V8 engine. All right, we can tow over 11,000 pounds with this because it has that 3.92 axle ratio. We also have the tow hitch receiver with the trailer brake controller as well. This is a well-optioned truck. Now, that black appearance package gives you these nice 20-inch black wheels that we have up front. Take a look at the Goodyear Wrangler tires on here as well. Love the white lettering, suspension behind it. Looks incredible. All right, we got that HEMI badge on the door, 1500 Classic. Now we have the tow mirrors as well, so the longer mirrors, so when you're towing, makes it easier to see your trailer behind you. Side steps to help the little guys get into the back seat. And now let's swing around to the back. 5'7" box, nice size here. We have a 4-piece tonneau cover up top. All right. Dual exhaust, of course, like I said, it does have the tow hitch receiver on here as well, already wired up. Now we have the dampened tailgate. All right, doesn't slam down on you. We have the spray-in bed liner from the factory as well. Just needs a good clean, of course. One hand up. Love dampened tailgates. Whoever invented that, thank you, because they used to be so heavy. Now coming around the passenger side so you can see all four corners. I mean, for a black truck, you'd expect to see a bunch of marks, but this is in such great shape. And then as we head over to the front, not forgetting to look at that nice sport hood once again. Great looking headlights, black front grille, black tow recovery hooks at the bottom. If you want to be a good friend Samaritan, you can help people out of the ditch. I'm sure you've seen a lot of that recently. Just hook them up and drag them out and carry on your merry way. All right, let's go take a look at the back seats. This has got enough room to fit 3 adult passengers, workers, construction dudes, or just the kids, whatever it might be. But lots of room back here. I've got the front driver and passenger seat all the way back. Nice looking light gray interior. Big center armrest that folds down. I'll show you that. All right, cup holders in there as well. We've got a 12-volt power outlet, cup holders right down here in between your legs, which it's a weird spot for it, but whatever. All right, and then one of the cool things that I like that this seat does is you can fold this up, and then we have these little leggies here. It's not the technical term. See, I moved the seat too far back. Well, it shows you I'm not lying. The seat was all the way back. But anyway, you get the idea. It gives you a nice cargo service here. So maybe you put the dog bed, the dog sleeps there while he's on the way up to the cottage, whatever. You can do that as well. Other seat side does it too. Okay, cool. Now let's have a look in the front. Now this one does feature the bucket seats up front, not the bench seat. Seats are in great shape. This is a non-smoker vehicle. We have a power driver seat with the power lumbar support as well, another big option. Let's hop in. All right. Now that we're inside here, have a look at the interior of your Ram. Really nicely laid out. Love the fact that everything here is bigger buttons, bigger dials, and that's because, to be honest, they think you're going to be having work gloves on. So work gloves need a little bit better dexterity, and that's why they do that. Now up front here, we have a nice leather wrapped heated steering wheel. We've got our controls here for our center display. We have our cruise controls on the other side. The radio controls are right behind the steering wheel, little buttons down there. In the odometer, look at this, 65,794 kilometers. Isn't that incredible? Such incredible mileage for this truck. Now, lots of information can be displayed in here. Of course, I'm doing all that by just flipping through here. So you decide what you'd like to see for your adventure for the day. Now, before I forget, because I'm more likely going to forget this because it's kind of tucked away, I want to show you the Alpine logo here because it does have the upgraded Alpine sound system. Now, you can appreciate any upgraded audio in this truck is going to sound even better than like an SUV because there's not a lot of room in here compared to an SUV. So that Alpine sound system is fantastic. Little Easter egg here, the Ram logo, they kind of tucked that away a couple different spots on the truck. Door handles as well. All right, double glove boxes. Now have a look at this Uconnect audio system. So this is the upgraded audio. You can see this is on the app screen where you kind of have access to almost all of the features on here. The driver heated seat, the passenger heated seat. This has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus it has Sirius XM satellite radio. Clicking it back there, there we are right now. Thank you, Christina Aguilera. Turn you down. Excuse me. Climate control can be accessed through here, but of course you can access that through the buttons down below as well. Nice backup camera on this. All right, really crystal clear view. So obviously backing up, hooking up to your trailer would be nice and easy with that. And lots of other cool stuff that you can control right through here with this Uconnect audio system, all right? Now, as I mentioned, big dials, big buttons for if you got your work gloves on. Here's our trailer brake controller, our heated seats, heated steering wheel. We also have the tow haul mode, so that's going to help eliminate the transmission hunting for gears when you got a load on the back. And then we've got a regular power outlet up here, maybe plug in the laptop, our gear selector, and then our four-wheel drive selection as well. All really nicely located, all well laid out. And then look at this beautiful storage box. There is so much room here. All right, we've got a little cell phone holder, and then inside our big Ram armrest, two different options. This top option here has your spot for your Timmy's change, and then it's got a couple more USB ports in here. And then the big one, there we go. Look at this. I mean, you could, I don't know, you could put a cinder block down in there. It's so big, it's huge. And then we have the push button start, and that is, oh, 1 second here. That is hooked up to a remote starter as well that you have with the Ram. So, I mean, like I said, this is an incredibly, incredibly well optioned truck. And to top it all off, look at the Carfax. 1 owner, no reported accidents, 15 service records. It doesn't get better. If you are looking for the best pickup truck you can find right now, this is an incredible value with this 21 Ram 1500 HEMI tow package, black package, sport package, Alpine audio. I mean, what a beauty. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be great for the cottage, the road trips, working, whatever it is. Whatever reason you need a truck, even if you just want it because it looks pretty, I'm all right with that too. Thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to whoever picks up this great Ram, and we cannot wait to see you at Cobourg Honda. Whew, have a look, so nice.